Hi everyone. Today we have brought with an interesting idea, and mostly people you have often listened that we are talking about a term or terminology that is CRM. What is CRM and how it benefits the businesses? Basically, it is related to businesses, and basically the CRM is customer relationship management. So how it works and how it benefits the businesses. Basically, CRM is a technology that used to managing the interaction with customer and potential customer. So in CRM, customer relationship management is a process in which businesses or other organizations uh, use to interact with their customer and potential customer, and they make a data analysis to interact with their customer and potential customer. So, what people or what businesses are using the CRM? Actually, CRM has no limit. Potentially, it is beneficial for all sizes of businesses, but for small size businesses, it is more beneficial because in small businesses, the teams are relatively low or less people are engaged there, and they want and they need to do more with less resources. So such an organization, if have CRM type technology and they have data structuring, they have data availability, so they can generate rapid result and they can analyze how their progress is going. Many departments of your organization like sales, production department, recruitment, marketing department, they all can use this data because when your business is running and your marketing is working, so they are your marketing department or marketing personnel, they are actually generating lot of data there. They your reps are on the road contacting with the customers, they are meeting with your prospects, and they are generating so much valuable information. But what you will do with this information if you don't have a system or tool like CRM? So how CRM will help you? Because your customer may be contacting you from different resources like phones, through emails or on social media, and they may be asking about some problem. They may be tracking their orders, or they are contacting you about an issue. So if you have a CRM customer relationship management tool, you can better analyze how your customer have been communicated there. So are your customer happy with your feedback? Are your customer happy with your after sales services? Are your customers happy and they like your products and upcoming products and projects? So all this data you can pull from with the help of CRM, and CRM will produce you better result and engage you in a betterment on day by day activity. But if you don't have CRM and you are running that business, all this information will not be beneficial for you, because without a common platform for customer interaction, uh, information can be missed or lost in because there is so much information and you cannot store that properly, because all the information gathered by your marketing personnel, that may be in the form of handwritten notes or in their laptops or inside the heads of their your sales team. So the data generated, but there is not a summarized type of data, there is not a proper database. So CRM produce proper database management, and it will. So if there is no CRM tool available with you, you cannot process this information very well. Now we will discuss about how CRM is actually helping the businesses. When people are talking about CRM, they are actually talking about CRM tools which help in managing sales management and marketing management and other resources management. So if you have a CRM on your business platform, then it will benefit you in many ways. Like your marketing department can analyze the data. Your marketing management can check how much leads have been generated, and In that, your sales team can also check how much leads that have been generated are converted into actual sales, and what is the winning ratio there. So all this data can be checked in one click, and you can produce result from there, and you can check the operations are going in right direction or no. A complete and better data management always lead to perform, always lead to originate a proper result from a business. If you are knowing your customer better, then upselling and cross selling becoming control, because you can pull more business from your existing customer, and you can target more potential customer and prospects in market, and you can have long lasting relationship with your customer as well. So actually there is lot of things to discuss on this topic, but we cannot discuss the whole idea in a single video. But if you are running a business and you don't know about CRM, just check out there, just learn about it, and try to apply it in your businesses, because this is very much essential if if you want to keep your business going, and if you want to keep your business with changes in the environment. As the technology is changing, if you don't adopt the technology, you will surely remain so behind your competitor. So it is a beneficial tool, and you must check it. So it is all from here. Take care. Goodbye.